Einhell is a German company. Einhell is fantastic small machine for cutting. An Einhell represents a good connection between price and quality. This machine owns ability to move angle of work desk and possibility of changing the angle of the saw. The saw on the machine can be changes very easily. It takes only a few seconds for this job. The saw blade length is 27 mm. Machine also has a potentiometer. With potentiometer we are controlling the speed of saw. Electricity consumption is small and it starts from 80 watt till 120 watt. Machine use electricity of 230 volt but also can use 220 volt without additional elements. Also the machine works at 50 Hz. Engine speed is between 400 to 1600 revolutions per minute. For beginners and casual artists, this performance should be enough. If you need to contact Einhell you can do at this address: Einhell, Germany, Agwiesenweg 22, 94405 Landau, Isar, Germany, or by phone, +49 9951 942, fax, +49 9951 1702. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.